Here it comes, blow on blow, bruises that will not show, a damaged body, a broken heart, a life just torn apart.
Domestic abuse is prevalent and it is an issue in leafy, delightful Surrey. Nationally, 1 in 4 women at some point in their lifetime will experience domestic abuse. By the time they disclose domestic abuse, they may have experienced up to 35 episodes of any sort of the full range of behaviours that involves.
One of the main benefits of the project is awareness building, because those people who need help are coming into our libraries and using services for their children and for themselves for other reasons. And if they come in and see a sign or a table or a stand up for Domestic Abuse Awareness Week, displaying information about local resources, they might then go away and decide that they can access that help for the first time before they would have just suffered in silence.
Certainly my experience in terms of raising awareness when we've done public stands in the shopping centres and in the library is that just by having the stand there, having the leaflets and having staff people can talk to, we've had people come up and disclose on the stand. So they've come up and said, I wish I'd known about this, and that they had experienced it some years ago, and if this service had been available to them, how much sooner they might have left their abuser.
The bruise last night you gave to me. They cannot see the hurt inside. They cannot see the tears I cried, the fear you feel deep down inside.
In the summer of 2012, knowing that we wanted to do something quite special for Domestic Abuse Awareness Week, East Surrey Domestic Abuse Services and I got together and decided that we would run a poetry writing workshop with their local survivors group. And we brought in a poet, Wendy French, who held the session, and each of the women wrote 3 poems each. And then we then added to that by encouraging other people around the county to add in artwork and poetry and prose. And we have now brought that together and published it in an e-book.
We've recently started a book group with the Women's Support Centre Surrey, and this is for some of the clients that they have been working with over the last year or so. What we're hoping is that the reading group will give them access to the joy of reading and give them some alternatives to what can sometimes be very chaotic lives.
I had an email from the outreach service letting me know that they'd had their first referral from a woman who had seen the information in the library service and had decided to come forward and to leave her partner. So in that sense, you can really see that you're changing somebody's life.